In this video, we're going to show you how to do an oil change on your Subaru Crosstrek. Remove the oil cap from your engine. Put this over your hood latch. That'll make sure that you don't forget to put it back. Locate the drain plug. It'll be towards the back of the engine splash shield and has this nice access panel. We'll use a 17mm to loosen it. Make sure you have something to collect the oil and remove your drain plug. If you hold your finger on the end of the drain plug and spin with the other two, you can hold it in and prevent as much oil from splashing all over the place as you can. Make sure you remove the old drain plug washer. Install a new drain plug washer. We're going to snug this up. We're going to torque the drain plug to 31 foot-pounds. And clean up the area. We're going to just use a little bit of brake and parts cleaner and a rag. Now we'll remove the oil filter. If it doesn't loosen up by hand, you can use a set of oil filter pliers. And be careful not to drip oil all over the place. Now we'll wipe down the oil filter mating surface. Be careful not to let any debris fall in. Before we put the oil filter on, we want to lube up the O-ring with a little bit of fresh oil. Tighten it down, but not too much, because you want to be able to get it off in the future. We'll put a funnel in the oil filler neck. Now we're going to go ahead and fill this up with 4.6 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic oil. Okay, there's our 4.6 quarts. We'll put the cap on and we'll check the fluid level. Don't need to tighten it too much. Locate your engine oil dipstick. Pull it out and give it a wipe. Put it back in. And now you can check it. You want the oil level to be between the marks. If it isn't, top off just a little bit more and check it again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.